Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
我们今天是要上Ulu Yam，上去Gohtong。很久没有 ride 了，很久没有用Ulu Yam出去了。今天我们有蛮多队友的 ，Let's go！
little snakes. Everything we eat and touch is a little fake. I shank a cop, then pass the knife to K. Kurt. Is the pig dead? Stab him in the head to make sure. No justice, no peace. I bust the chrome piece. Your brain's on the dash, now you slumped in your seat. Protect yourself from the government. Nigga underlay, they shooting up elementary schools to take our guns away. I'm in the house back, waiting for the judgment day. They ain't finna torture me at Guantanamo fucking Bay.
No compassion, outlast the decap. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant.
That's what we become. That's what we become. Yo, dumb. Wonder what's a sucking dumb.
No compassion, outlast the decap. Bunch of backstabbing while we run rampant.
That's what we become. That's what we become. Yo, dumb. Wonder what's a sucking dumb. what can't be controlled. Give a kid candy, take away his soul. Can't tell the difference between hot and cold. My senses are dipped and I'm sold. But as the credits start to roll, I wake up and I miss the movie. The people around me are swarming like they just saw something that's dooming. Now they're telling me that I miss a lot and I gotta go back and see it. Yet everyone who was watching came at that bitch with a crooked demeanor. These subtleties and half-truths are running my country at large. Shipping this garbage by every ocean, I'm about to sink the barge. Health, war, famine, and money, get rid of those or we have no country. What happened to thinking people love me? These relationships feel so ugly. It's like we're speaking on the surface, but something sounds scripted about all the verbiage. Like everything we think came from another person, and we didn't take time to think if it's worth it. To act as a service to only a few human perspectives. Now we got humanity's section by politics, culture, religion, perspective. None of us have accurate depth perception. It's been messed with and I feel headless. No wonder I'm trying to convert that dude in the uniform to a dead bitch. Get this, my head is full of death cause it's a dead shit full of phantoms and redness on the walls from bloodshed. No angels left in heaven and in turn I'm the one they sent in. Close your eyes and get in. This is one hell of a head trip. Most isolated, now watch that echo. I'm isolated everywhere like presto. I don't really know how to keep a friend. Something that they don't get though, and that sparks Mike Roscoe.